Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. I have been solving GMAT math problems out of this book here, the GMAT Review, the official guide. If you do not have this book, buy it immediately at mba.com. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you will find on page number 168, number 122. Number 122. Let's take a look. It says an operation theta is defined as, and here's the operation, A theta B equals A minus B over A plus B. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to actually read this bloody thing. Okay? It's a set of instructions. That's what this is. This is a set of instructions, and this is how one reads it. When you read it, going around saying A theta B equals this equals A or minus B plus over A plus B doesn't mean much. This is what they're saying. The set of instructions are whatever that we see on the left hand side, we have to take that, and from that we have to subtract whatever is given on the right hand side. In other words, instructions are we're supposed to take a difference of the left hand side and the right hand side and divide that difference by the sum of the left hand side and the right hand side. Then the problem goes on to say that if A theta C, let me change the color. I changed the color because I can't help it. I was born with the flair for the dramatics, with 3 markers in my hand. Let's take a look. A theta C, we are told, is 0. So we're going to first set it up. A theta C. So take the difference of left hand side and the right hand side, so it's A minus C divided by the sum of A and C. And I'm told that it has to equal to 0. I'm going to write a 0. I hope you're not going to confuse between my 0 and the theta. I don't want people to go around thinking that this thing has any significance if you end up reading this as phi. So I put a regular 0. So here I have a quantity. Here I have a quantity, and I'm told if I have quantity P, if I tell you that P divided by Q is 0, how is that possible? The only way one quantity divided by some other quantity equals to 0 is if the top is 0. Because 0 divided by any number, and I underline the word any, 0 divided by any number is 0. Which makes sense, of course. Because if I have no pizza at all, and I go around cutting that pizza into 16 slices, what do I have? Still I have nothing, because it was an imaginary pizza. So if I have nothing, and I chop it up into 50 pieces, I still have nothing. Of course, 0 divided by anything is 0. So, now that we understand that, since we are told that A minus C over A plus C equals 0, A minus C must be 0. A minus C, this quantity must be 0. The only way A minus C will be 0 is if this implies that this thing will only be true when A equals C. And that's all. See what the question is asking. Then the question goes on to say, then C equals what? Well, C equals A. That's all. C equals A. The answer is E. That's all there is. That's all there is. I hope you understood it. I hope that you found it helpful. If you wish to buy the DVDs that I have, which contain the solutions to all the math problems, or if you wish to hire me for personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, go to my website at prepforgmat.com and send me an email. Alright? Thank you.